Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Wednesday 26th of July with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar. Euro dollar started to roll over a bit. You had that move to 117.11. That is the, and I say the, August 2015 high. So we had that move to 117.11 yesterday, and it rolled over, and that's come as these treasury yields have started to improve to the upside again, which has started to drag on euro dollar. Momentum indicators just rolling over a touch. I still would look towards buying into weakness, and I think we could have a little bit of a pullback. 1490 is that old previous breakout, which sort of became supported, 1477 on that reaction note on the ECB last week before the strong rally higher. I'd still look to buy into weakness in this uptrend though. This is a 3-month uptrend which remains intact, and I think it remains a big driver of the market going higher. Momentum indicators strongly configured, just pulling back a little bit. RSI 66, nothing too significant yet. Market's just, as I said, rolling over on the hourly chart, sort of back towards that rising 144-hour moving average now, which has been a pretty decent gauge, apart from a couple of days in the middle of July, but certainly still seems to be basis of support. RSI back towards 30, that low 30s level has been sort of the case on a couple of occasions. So back towards levels at which the buyers have tended to come in already. So it'll be interesting to see whether this turns a little bit more corrective today, with the market just sort of drifting lower ahead of the Fed, and also watching out for how the market acts on the Fed. Obviously, there is no expectation of any sort of hawkish move, i.e. rate hikes or balance sheet reduction announcement. But there could be some tweaks in the statement, which, to be honest, could go either way. It could start, the Fed could start to sort of talk about or take account of the weaker inflation, but also sort of start to set the market up for balance sheet reduction. So you could go both ways on that. But yeah, in front of that, the dollar is starting to strengthen a bit against the euro and dragging it lower, and that means next support 1583, and then that breakout high of 1489. So I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later.